Are you ready for this? First, you gotta prep your nails. If you're new to Color Street, it's super simple. All you do is just peel the plastic overlay, then use the silver tab to peel the polish from the backing, and that's perforated so you can just pluck it off. The strip is double-ended, so you could cover 2 nails with 1 strip depending on the length of your nails. Then what I like to do is get my thumbnail and gently score underneath the nail that I'm applying. If you get it crooked, there's a window of opportunity to gently remove it and reposition it. Then once you're done, just use a nail file to clean up any edges. That's it, you're all done. There's no dry time. Now, let's get into this tutorial. I wanted my stripes to go vertically. You can opt to just do them horizontally or put them in at a diagonal. It's just the same way as using the strips. You're just peeling and sticking. You can also gently tug to make them a little bit wider. I needed it just a tidge wider to make sure to cover my nail from the cuticle to the tip of my nail. One thing I forgot to mention is make sure to give your base nail strip enough time to cure onto your nail. This usually is taken care of in about 10 minutes. Now, because it is sideways on my nail, I'm going to need to remove the sides of the strip from the skin. You don't want to leave it on the skin or your cuticles, or this nail strip won't cure correctly onto your nail and it will start to lift. As you saw, I just used my thumbnail to score the nail strip. It is so easy. You can also use a cuticle pusher and then once you've gotten the excess from the sides off, just go through with a nail file to clean up the tip. All done, ready for the next step. I chose a craft scissor that kind of resembled a goopy drip. I'm using Kilowatt, which is a retired set from our Neon Nights collection. What I'm doing here is making sure that I'm getting the desired length for the tip. It's important to take the plastic overlay off whenever you're using either craft scissors or craft punch. Now that I've gotten the design that I want and the right length of it, all I have to do is peel and stick. It is that easy. You do have to be a little bit more careful when working with the strips when they're cut in half. Doesn't that look so fun? Time for the other side. Carefully place it where you want and then gently stretch it across the nail. Now all I gotta do is file the excess off with a nail file. When doing a custom look like this, where the nail strip isn't covering the entire nail, you're going to want to either put Clear as Day, which is our clear nail strip, or a clear liquid top coat. That way there is not a ridge to catch on anything. These nail strips make it so easy and fun to customize your mani. And there you have it, my Halloween manicure. I absolutely love this look. I've gotten so many compliments on it already. And the best part was, there was no dry time. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe.